Hey there, brain buffs! Today, I'm diving into something fascinating and a bit mind-bending. Ever wonder why we sometimes justify our bad behavior? Well, let's rewind to a groundbreaking surgery that gave us some answers. In the mid-20th century, surgeons began performing a radical procedure for epilepsy patients. They severed the corpus callosum, that's the thick bundle of nerves connecting the two hemispheres of the brain. What happened next was astonishing. Patients with split brain syndrome experienced a separation of their cognitive functions. Each hemisphere started operating almost independently. Scientists quickly realized that this offered a unique window into understanding the brain's modularity. One of these modules is particularly intriguing: the justification module. Imagine this: you do something you know is wrong, like snapping at a friend. Initially, you feel bad about it, right? But soon, your brain kicks into gear, finding reasons to justify your behavior. Maybe they deserved it, you tell yourself. This is where the justification module comes into play. According to researchers, when the normal communication between brain hemispheres is disrupted, each side tries to make sense of its actions independently. The left hemisphere, often associated with language and reasoning, starts crafting stories to justify behaviors that the right hemisphere may instinctively feel bad about. It's like having a tiny lawyer in your head, always ready to defend your actions. But why do we have this module in the first place? Some scientists believe it's an evolutionary adaptation. In a social species like ours, justifying bad behavior could have helped maintain group cohesion and mitigate conflicts. If everyone believed they were always in the right, society would be in constant chaos. Now, think about how this plays out in everyday life. You cut someone off in traffic and instantly start thinking, well, they were driving too slow. Your brain is hard at work protecting your self-image and reducing cognitive dissonance, that uncomfortable feeling when our actions don't match our beliefs. Understanding the brain's justification module can make us more aware of our actions and reactions. It's a reminder that while we might be quick to justify our mistakes, it's also important to take a step back and consider the bigger picture. So, next time you catch yourself making excuses, remember, it's just your brain doing what it's wired to do. But you have the power to rise above those instincts. Reflect, learn, and grow. And that's the brain's secret to justifying bad behavior. Explained. If you enjoyed this dive into neuroscience, hit that like button and subscribe for more brainy content. Thanks for watching.